welcome back to 4th grade math support with Dr. Griggs. These are our topics that we'll be going over for this year. And our topic that we are currently working on is operations and algebraic thinking. All right, so we have here 5 objectives under operations and algebraic thinking. So we're on the 5th one here. So let's check it out. Okay, so here we have generate a number or shape pattern that follows a given rule. Identify apparent features of the pattern that were not explicit in the rule itself. For example, given the rule add 3 and the starting number 1, generate terms in the resulting sequence and observe that the terms appear to alternate between odd and even numbers. Explain informally why the numbers will continue to alternate in this way. So this is something that we can practice with, and I have a problem for us to practice with so we can kind of understand what is it that this is saying. So here we have a problem growing triangle pattern. A student is building a triangle pattern with dots. The rule is add 2 more dots each time. The first triangle has 1 dot, the second triangle has 3 dots, the third triangle has 5 dots, the fourth triangle has 7 dots. Write the first 5 numbers in this sequence. So let's just start with question number 1, or task number 1. Okay, so we have 1 triangle that has 1 dot. We have a second triangle that has 3 dots. We have a third triangle that has 5 dots. And then we have a fourth triangle that has 7 dots. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we have, because we want to write the first 5 numbers in the sequence, we can go ahead and create a 5th triangle. Since we are adding 2 dots each time, well, that means this one should have 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what are the first 5 numbers in this sequence? They are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So we have completed our first task. Let's look at the second one. What do you notice about the numbers in this sequence? Well, let's see. Every time we go up in the numbers in this sequence, it adds 2, which is perfect because our rule was to add 2 more dots each time. So our rule was to add 2. So it makes sense that we would be adding 2 each time. Another thing we can notice is that these are all odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 are all odd. And if we continue on for infinity, all of the numbers will be odd because we're adding the same increment of 2 each time. So, explain informally why the numbers will continue to have this feature. Well, because if we were to continue, so 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, and this can go on and on forever. But because we are only adding 2 each time, we're always going to land on an odd number. Because that variation, that pattern is going to have us skipping the even numbers. So we'll have an odd number, skip the even, go land on an odd number, skip the even, and that's the reason why we will always land on an odd number, because with adding 2, we'll always be skipping the even number. Okay, so we were able to address all 3 of our tasks for today, and I hope that this was helpful to you. Again, if you have any other questions or anything that is causing you difficulty in school as it relates to 4th grade math, feel free to send me a message. I would love to be of assistance to you. Thank you so much, and have a great day. Thank you so much for joining my tutoring session today. If you enjoyed the way that I instruct and you think that I would be a useful addition to your student or to yourself, feel free to scan this QR code. It is going to take you directly to my profile page where you can get set up on weekly classes with me. Looking forward to seeing you in the classroom.